What is up, you guys? It's your boy Willie Jr. back again with another banger. Let's go. We are on the way to Michigan right now. We just got done fueling up the truck. Yes, sir. It only cost us $47, but we was already on a half tank. We got Naked Blondie going to Michigan, baby. Fairings couldn't come in time, but that's all right. That's all right. It is what it is. We're gonna go out there and gap people with no fairings. Let's go. Oh no, I forgot my thing. My visor is all fogged up. We are currently in Michigan right now. Yes, sir. We are riding with the boys. We're just out here. Just arrived. It is cold up here, and the roads are not it. Trying to warm my tires up a little bit. This event's being put on by Easy. Easy Riding Moto, I appreciate you putting this on, man. It's good to get out with you boys. We got people from all over the states out here. Some boys from New York and New Jersey coming out. Some other places. My balaclava's getting in my mouth, bro. Yes, sir. We're on a Naked Blondie. So everybody else's bike out here is looking good. Blondie ain't looking bad, but she ain't got no fairings. So, it's alright. They didn't get here in time. They will be here soon, though. Ah, my visor. I really need to buy a pin lock for this. For the clear one. We had a good little drive, man. It's about a 4.5 hour trip. Once you get to Michigan, the roads, they go to hell. Yes, sir. Woo! That thing's sounding good. I got something in my eye. Why does that always happen, bro? Why? Why does that always happen? I'm just happy to be out. Yes, sir. Got the T'Challa out here. Beautiful bike, my guy. Woo! He just got it retuned recently. She's making a lot more power than she was down in Miami. Was you wanting it in 4K too or not? 40. Huh? I race you for 40. 40? Yeah. Alright, I'm down with it. Fuck you. So we're gonna have to see if we still got the gap for him or not. Their exit ramps and stuff are a little bit weird, bro. They really, really are. I came up on the exit to get off on the interstate, man, and I was like, what is this? Bro, the roads are awful. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Sheesh! Let's go. Man, that feels good to be out. It says it's 69 out. Haha. Let's go. God dang, bro. This is rough. With how flat it is here, man, it almost reminds me of like Florida. Because there's not any rolling hills or mountains or anything. It's not warm like Florida. Humid it is. Because of the big old lakes they got over there, the Great Lakes. I believe it's like Lake Michigan, Lake Superior, Lake Erie. I don't know the other ones. I think there's like 5 of them. I'll probably throw a map up right here. Yes, sir. I seen one of them a while back, man, whenever I was in Chicago. If y'all haven't seen any of that video, man, I didn't have my mic or plugged in, but it was a stunt ride, lean back, put on by Brian636, if you've ever seen him or know who he is. I'll link it up right there, man. Go check that out sometime. That was a cool video. There was so much action going on, man. People constantly doing wheelies and stuff. This weekend, though, we're going to have a big bike event that Easy's putting on, I believe, at a dealership. We're definitely going to get some racing in, too. So be ready for some Gapple cams coming at you, baby. Yes, sir. I'm hyped. Is that a firework? What the hell is that? That is, that's definitely fireworks. What? Damn, that must be the finale. Holy shit. yeah. America, baby. It's lit. What the hell? I ain't even got no screen, bro. I love how there's just a fireworks show going on.
I know, man.
That's lit. There gotta be the finale. Gotta be. Oh, hell yeah. Yes, sir. We're about to go racing, baby. I don't got my 360 cam with me. If I'd known, I would have brought it. Got the Polaris slingshot out. Let's go. On the way to the race spot. Shoo! Thing sounds good, boy. Woo-hoo. That stinks right here. Huh. That's not good. You been good, baby. That's what I'm gonna tell him when I get done gapping him. On the ride up here, all the way through Ohio and everything, I could literally see a fog/smoke. And I was asking them, I was like, is that from the Canada fires? And they were like, yeah, bro. That's wild, bro. Canada must be on fire, Oh, dang, man. That is not good. We gotta put that out, bro. I don't know if I'm gonna catch a lane tonight. Not knowing the road. Yes, sir, grabbed another Fireblade, baby. Uh-oh, my seat just bounced, bro. I gotta bolt that down whenever we get somewhere. Good thing that it shouldn't go anywhere, right? We had a good run, me and him did. I whooped that ass, though. Spanked him, boy. Oh, I love that shit. I love that shit. Barry said he wants the gap, baby. Let's give it to him. baby. Slow R1, that's what his license plate said. I don't know, mine ain't. But I think it can go for Lord's. I'm fighting trying to keep it down. Maybe we can do better in the morning. Oh, I know he's going to be talking crap about that. Because I was talking crap about grabbing him whenever I pulled up. I ain't got no fairings either, hardly, so... You know what I'm saying? We got all the drag in the world. She is not very aerodynamic right now, that's for sure. Dude, the sounds that are, like, happening whenever you're in a pack full of 1Ks is crazy. God dang, bro. What is this? Cross-plane gang, baby. See what all we got right here real quick. What's up?